Hey there, got something new in the mail today. This is basically a foot switch. It's the HQRP foot switch. It's three channels. It's kind of a standard guitar foot switch, which happens to work really well with the 72, at least from what I've read. So. In a plastic bag. Pretty nice. It's plastic. I don't know if it matters to anybody. One thing I noticed real quick off the bat is, there's 3 buttons, and there's only 2 sleeves. There's 3, but one would be the ground. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of take a look. Since it is plastic, it looks like we can just pop this open real quick. That's interesting. So it has the 3 leads, and it looks like all the grounds are the same, and then they come together for the 3rd one. So based on the arrangement, I guess it can tell whether or not which button is being pressed. And these are all momentary, so they're not locking, which is nice. And once again, I'm assuming that this is just a standard guitar foot pedal. I know I had some other pedals and stuff that were not momentary, and that's why, once again, I was a little surprised about the way the sleeve is. Let me undo this here. So in the front of your 72, there's a jack. You can't really see it on the screen here. It's like right here. You gotta plug that dude in there. And then on your screen, actually I should probably take this off the stand for just a second. On your screen here, you can see there's the MIDI selection. So I kind of went in, there you go. So you can click on that, and it'll give you all of the different things that you want to do. Basically what happens is you click the feature. So I'm going to do advance to the next song. There you go. Right there. And then I'm going to press this button. Boop. And then if you notice, it assigned it. So that's advanced. So this one, the 3 button, will be advanced. And then I'll make the advance right there. Let's press a button. Boop. You notice it changed. So now 1 is advanced for my left channel, and 3 is advanced for the right. And let's see, maybe let's make hold on, let me change the view. This is the extended view. I was thinking that would be nice for mapping MIDI. Switch to vertical. Let's look for effects. So I got this crazy air horn over here. Let's make the middle one the air horn, just for fun. So here, I'll press the middle button. Boop. And if you notice, it assigned it. So now when I press the middle button, let's go ahead and test it. Oh, there we go. I had my volume down. That's not annoying. That'll be fun. All right, so I'm gonna leave the, I'll leave this here so you can kind of see when I press the buttons. When you're doing it, you would do it with your foot, which would be super awesome. Because, just imagine you're in the middle of doing something, you're like, and then I, advance to the next track. I'm not even sure what my next track is, but, oh, this is fun. So, 20. Yeah, it's a Simpsons track, but let's go to the next one and see what Oh, actually, it just advanced to the end of the song. Oh, I guess that didn't work as I expected. But it's kind of cool because, you know, you can map it to like whatever you want. Yeah, so the other track worked when I pressed it. It's probably because I'm not really in a good crate right now. Let me pick, yeah, let me try a different crate. There we go. This is... Oh, yeah.
You're a monster.
Pretty fun, huh? So, I don't know. I think it works fantastic. I would strongly recommend it, especially for advancing, you know, because I don't know about you guys. If you're in the middle battling, you know, I love the little knob, but, you know, if I don't have to, I really just want to advance to my next, you know, routine or scratch, and I could totally do that, you know, just by pressing a button. I'll be doing another review pretty soon. I have a MIDI board with a whole bunch of buttons on it that I like to use, and it has like a variable pitch, you know, so you can, somebody mentioned something about like how do you scratch with your foot, and I'll show you guys that soon. But this is the HQRP foot switch. It's pretty awesome. I'll definitely be using this. I don't know if you can compete with this. I know a lot of times, well, I shouldn't say a lot of times. The last time I competed, I didn't see anybody else using additional devices. This might be considered cheating, but it sure is awesome. So I strongly recommend running out and getting one. And I know it works with more than just the Rane devices. This is a standard across all, well, most foot switch things. I'll probably, I'm sure I'll use it in other videos. I have some drum machines and things like that that I might use it. And maybe I'll just buy a whole bunch of these. I don't know. But we'll see how it goes. All right. Goodbye. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Don't forget to subscribe. There's something here. I'm trying to get my subscriptions up. And link and thumbs up and ask questions. I don't mind answering and making more videos on things.